I'm John Jolliffe, Product Manager for Ascertia, makers of the world's most comprehensive trust services and digital signatures products. SigningHub has two useful options, placeholders and groups, to help you keep workflows moving when the identity of one of your signatories is not known or when signing authority is shared between multiple people. Let's look at placeholders. Add your first participant, making sure they have the permission to allow changing of recipients. Then add a placeholder. Give the placeholder a descriptive name to help you remember how the field will be used. Add your signature fields, a field for the first signer who will designate the placeholder and a field for the placeholder themselves. The first signer signs and is immediately prompted to enter details for the placeholder, who receives an email notification, and they'll also see a new pending document in their documents viewer, which they can then sign. Groups are useful when it's sufficient for anyone from a group to sign rather than a specific signer. Groups can be created by an individual or at an enterprise level and shared across multiple users. To create a group, click Add Group, name the group, and then add some members by entering email addresses. This is particularly useful if you need a team function like HR or finance to participate in one of your workflows. To send a document to the group, start typing the group name in the name field, and then mark up the document with a signature field. You'll see it's marked with the name of the group. All three of the group members have now received the same invitation inviting them to sign the document. The first of these to open and sign the document will effectively close the workflow for all the other signers. If we now open the signed document, you can see that the document was sent to the group, but signed individually by one member of the group. If you'd like to know more about how Ascertia and Ascertia digital trust products work, then please don't hesitate to get in touch or check out more of our videos on our YouTube channel.